Most tutorials skip this one step, and that costs you hours of wiring and debugging. I'll show a compact Python pattern to call a Claude model with minimal setup. You'll make one session, send a prompt, and handle the reply. Anthropic offers the Claude family and a clear HTTP API for prompt and completion workflows, so you can focus on logic, not plumbing. Source: https://docs. Anthropic.com. Follow this, and you'll cut boilerplate and ship features faster.
Most tutorials skip this one step. Set up your environment before you touch the API. You need Python 3, 10 or later installed, and pip for package management. Create and activate a virtual environment to keep dependencies isolated. Get an Anthropic API key and store it in an environment variable. Install an HTTP client like HTTPX or the requests library so your code can call the API. Familiarity with async programming helps but is not required. Source: https://docs. Anthropic.com.
You now have a clear summary of Claude Fable 5 and the Anthropic model family. Claude Fable 5 offers strong reasoning, controllable output behavior, and tools for building smarter AI applications. Anthropic models emphasize safety, helpfulness, and scalable understanding. Source: https://docs. Anthropic.com. Use simple prompts, system messages, and safety spec patterns to steer model behavior. These models plug into Python apps using standard API calls and streaming responses. The next thing to explore after this is prompt engineering and fine-tuning with Claude Fable 5.